Hello, this is Professor Murray Gans at the Eastville College Ant Lab in Mesquite, Texas. Mrs. Barrett's 5th grade classes at Sharon Shannon Elementary School in Rockwall, Texas sent us a second round of ants. And this round of ants had actually tried different foods to see which the ants actually preferred. You guys actually did a really nice job of comparing different foods. So let me show you some of the ants that you collected.
For us here in the lab, one of the most exciting things you sent us was this guy. This is a new species for you. You guys had collected 6 different species or types of ants earlier, but this is the 7th, and this is called a Phaenogaster wachucana. And what gives this away is this little spine on his back right here. This ant is named wachucana because it was first discovered outside of town of Huachuca, Arizona. I also want to show you some more pictures of, again, my little favorite guy, the cheese ant. This is the ant that if you squeeze it smells like cheese. And you can see here that they actually do have white bottoms. I don't think that was very obvious in the pictures I sent you last time. And if you zoom in on one of these ants with a light microscope and put some light behind it, you can see some internal structure. So here's the gut of the ant where it was eating some of the food you gave it. And then down here at the bottom are the little glands that it uses to spray out the spray that gives it its smell. Of course, there's fire ants everywhere. One of your groups sent us this guy. This is a fire ant drone. That is a male ant. And of course it has wings so it can fly and mate with the queen ants. Very, very different looking from the normal female workers that you see. This is just mud. This ant actually had been dead for a while, and its gaster or abdomen was broken open, and this was completely empty. So here's a face of this guy, and as you can see, it has some extra little eyes up here. These are called ocelli, and this is also a giveaway that you have a drone or a queen. The fire ants, of course, are a constant source of amusement for us here in the lab because when they die, they're really mad. And she was so upset that she bit her own tail, which is kind of interesting. If you look closely here, you can see she was trying to sting something. So there's her stinger sitting out right there. You also did something that we had not tried, and that is that you tried to use some bacon as a food bait. And there's a good side of that and a bad side. The good side is, from the data that you sent us on your data sheets, we could tell that the ants really seem to like the bacon. The bad side is this. The grease in the bacon kind of falls apart in the alcohol, and all this messy stuff out here is actually bacon grease. And the ants, which clump together anyway because of hooks on their legs, are covered with little hairs. So what happens is they become this big conglomeration of bacon grease. It was a great try, and we actually learned something from this.
Science is all about asking the questions, what would happen if? And that's exactly what you guys did. You tried some different foods. Specifically, you tried some bacon. Worked great to collect the ants, and that's doing real science. So to Miss Barrett's 5th grade science classes, I would like to say congratulations on finishing your school year. I hope you all have a great summer. You too, Miss Barrett. And remember, it's important to read everything you can read this summer. Keep in skill. And also keep in mind that science is really, really fun. So next time you get a chance to do some science, don't wait. Do it! From the Ant Lab here at Eastville College in Mesquite, Texas, this is Professor Murray Gans. See you around.